Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a beauty / craft room tour. But before we get started into you watching this video, please be sure to be subscribed to my channel. You could hit the watermark. I think it's on this side or this side. I always forget. And make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking it, and go check out my other videos I have. I do want to mention before we do get started that everything in this room that I have, it's took me a very long time to get. I'll show you the craft room part of it, and then I'll show you like the beauty part of it. But I'm not going to go and show you what's in that closet just because it's a complete disaster. It's just a storage area basically because I haven't got the chance to go through it. So I don't see a point in actually showing you that because it's honestly a mess and it would take forever. I'm going to try to mention everything where I got it from. Some of the stuff I got pre-used, like this one of the desks. I'll let you know which one it is that was pre-used off of Facebook, because honestly desks are pretty expensive, and this desk that I got that is pre-used, I was wanting one just like it, but everywhere I went they were crazy expensive, so I got some stuff pre-used. And I am not bragging at all on what I have. A lot of it I work very hard to get, and I save, and then that's what I use it for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's jump into it. So when you first walk in, this is what you see. So let's start off with the craft area. So this is my crafting area. That's my Cricut machine. This is where I do my tumblers, my shirts, everything that I do. My bows, everything, you name it, I do it. So this rolling cart I actually got from, I think it was Michael's. It's $30. It's their everyday pricing or whatever. And then I have this Paper Studio cutter, a ruler, my mats for my Cricut machine. I'll show you what's in here. So I have it pretty organized. This drawer is heat transfer vinyl. This drawer is just regular vinyl. This drawer is transfer tape, and then there's regular vinyl in there. This one has my fox leather that I use to make my bows. This one has fox leather, my bow material, the nylon, some pins, just like all my bow material. This one has some old ink cartridges, just because that is, if you take them to, I think it's Office Depot, they give you like a % off or whatever, the more you have. My glue stick, I use this all the time. And there's some cardstock right there. In this drawer, I just have the Gorilla Glue, my sandpaper, glitter, size pricing, tape, paint, a bunch of random stuff in that drawer. This one I have my envelopes, so when I send stuff to customers, a receipt book, some tags. My this is for the bows. It's just some plastic wrap. This drawer I have kids shirts, and this one I have adult shirts. So that is everything that is in this rolling cart. We'll work our way up here and then move down. So this is my Cricut machine. It's the Cricut Explorer Air 2 in, why is my camera? In the color, I think it's like just pink or whatever. Here are my Cricut pens. This is my laptop. I use this laptop for my YouTube videos and for my Cricut machine. And then I have this sign that says crafting is my hobby. I actually got this little panel from Target. I think it was on sale for $3. So I just like traded out on what I wanted to say. So right now it just says crafting is my hobby. And then I have this. I use this. This is just like a roll for my fox leather. I use it for my tumblers because I haven't built a rotating machine yet. I have some wax paper. This is for my when I make my shirts. This is my heat press. My dad actually bought this off of me for Amazon. I'll link it in the description box just in case any of you guys want to get a heat press if you make shirts. So yeah, I got this heat press. I love it. It works very good and it's amazing quality. This is just my water bottles, like my extra supplies, wine glasses and stuff. I actually made this water bottle for a customer, but she never picked up, so I have to actually remove that, which I need to figure out how to do that. Then over here I just have more extra supplies. This is a glitter tumbler I'm working on right now. This is a laminator. I use this to make my my bookmarks for my planners. And then this also goes to my heat press machine, which I haven't used yet. That's for coffee mugs. And then this is this extra storage. This is just epoxy and extra supplies in here. I don't have anything in these other drawers. It's just extra supplies. Then down here I have my printer, which I use to make multiple stuff. Then over here I have just some photo stuff, a magazine. It's very unorganized. I was using these to make some invitations. This goes to my heat press. This goes to my heat press as well. And then in this I just have some extra heat transfer vinyl and fox leather. And then underneath here I have cardstock and magazines. So that's what everything looks like. Now this is probably my favorite area of the room. So this desk I got pre-used. That desk I got at IKEA for $20. This desk I got for $20 pre-used from somebody off Facebook. So this chair I actually purchased from Home Goods it was on clearance for $50. It doesn't really go with my room too well because of the pink, but I still love it. And I love the studs on it. So we'll start from on top of here. This is my phone, my Fossil sunglasses, hand sanitizer, and lotion. Scotch tape. This has my pens and scissors in. That's my initials. I got that actually from Hobby Lobby for $1. And that's a picture of me and my sister, me and Josh. All my makeup, which if you guys want a video on my makeup collection, let me know and I'll do it. This is my desktop. I use this for mostly watching YouTube and editing videos occasionally. This is my succulent plant that I got from Whole Foods and I love it. More makeup. Then over here I just have my most used stuff, which I'm a planner girl. I have like 5 different planners. So this one's my Kate Spade, beyond my favorite one. Some Heidi Swap planner stickers. A book, Diary of an Oxygen Thief, which I take that to work occasionally. Another planner. This one is from Target. I really like it. I think it's super cute. This is my Heidi Swap one. Planner. This notebook I got from Target a long time ago. They don't sell it anymore, but I still love it. And then I got this notebook from Target as well, which I don't know. I haven't used it. I've had it for like a couple days, so I might take it back. So that's everything there. Drawers. So it's a huge mess. I have my Canon charger, SD card, a case for my camera, some planner stickers, this for my eyebrows and stuff, a Polaroid picture of Madison, just a bunch of junk mostly, a lot of planner stickers and stuff, and important paperwork, a bunch of Polaroid pictures, not very interesting. I have Yeti stickers in there that they sent me, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna put that right there. In this drawer I have just a bunch of makeup stuff. This is my MAC brushes, my Modern Renaissance palette, my beyond my favorite palette ever. My IT Cosmetic brushes, some facial cleansing wipes, eyelashes, some clean and clear oil absorbing face sheets, some cleansing wipes for down there, my Naked Basics palette, which I've had this for 2 years. This is just the case to my Modern Renaissance palette. My Double Up Wispies by Ardell, which I haven't used these yet, clearly. My Too Faced chocolate bar. More Shout wipes. I love these wipes. They're awesome. And just like a bunch of makeup in here that I don't use. This drawer, I have so much stuff. Like, look at, oh my god. A notebook. That's just a tag, a wedding invitation. Another notebook. I have 2 of the same ones because I ran out and they don't have refillable ones. My laptop cord. Zeiss wipes. My Apple Watch charger, headphones. My Polaroid camera, which I really don't use. Polaroid film. This I just use to keep my chargers and stuff in there. My contacts, I wear daily contacts, so yeah, I have a bunch of them. I use this too to keep chargers in there. My pen/pencil case, that's for my when I do planning. Some cleansing cloths, my Mac computer extender, my iPhone X phone box case. I have so much stuff in here, guys. Business cards. This was to my USB lightning adapter. Hey, guess what else is in here? Another planner. Just so much stuff, guys. It's ridiculous. Now over here in this corner, I have my Umbrella-Light, which I use for YouTube videos occasionally. I got this off of Amazon for $20. I have my tripod, and then I have a random mirror over there. Then over here is my little hangout area. I have this wall art that says wake up and makeup. And then I have this pre-used futon. So my sister actually gave this to me, which I don't ever use. It just has my Michael Kors handbag and my Kate Spade handbag and a shirt I made for Madison. Now this is the closet I said I wasn't going to show you guys. And I just have a clear white sheet over it. So this is my craft/beauty room. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. And like I said before, do not forget to subscribe. And you know what? Give me some good ideas on what I should do to remain organized. If you guys want to see a makeup collection video, let me know in the comments down below, and I'd be more than happy to do that. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.